Let's start with the amazing Buds Air Pro first. With its compact size, the Buds Air Pro makes you experience the marvel of ANC with the beauty of convenience. Talking about design first, the Realme Buds Air Pro inherits the Buds Q cobble aesthetics. With the round shape and flip-top design, the earbuds fit snug in the charging case and are very easy to open with just one hand. The surface has a premium finish, giving a superior light effect and a premium feeling when you hold it in the hand. The Realme Buds Air Pro is equipped with our new customized S1 high-performance noise cancellation chip, which guarantees the most versatile noise cancellation in this segment while consuming very low power. The S1 chip is built on a 28nm advanced process, which means more powerful processing performance and low power consumption. Now let's move on to the highlight of the product, the noise cancellation or active noise cancellation. Noise cancelling can be divided into passive and active noise reduction. Firstly, we adjust the size and the ear tips meticulously over and over to fit the shape of the ear and isolate as much outside noise as possible. As for active noise cancellation, the Buds Air Pro is equipped with two microphones for active noise cancellation with a maximum noise reduction of up to 35 decibels. In the earbuds of the Realme Buds Air Pro, there's one feed-forward microphone and one feedback microphone that can collect ambient noise from outside the ear and also listen to what you are listening and reduce the noise very, very well. After collecting the noise, the drive units generate reverse sound waves to cancel out the noise, thereby achieving the purpose of effective noise cancellation. I'm proud to share that the Realme Buds Air Pro also delivers the same level of noise cancellation which is at par with some of industry's best ANC headphones and reduces noise as good as the AirPods Pro. As you can see from the graph, the noise cancellation of the Buds Air Pro remains outstanding across all frequencies, especially in the low to mid frequency, such as the noise of the road, the ambient sound of the office, and the sound of the aircraft engine, etc. All can be well filtered, giving you a crystal clear world. The Buds Air Pro also comes with transparency mode, which enables users to listen to the ambient sound in one click. Since the in-ear design brings physical noise cancellation, the transparency mode makes it easy to talk to others without taking off your headphones even once. The Buds Air Pro's noise cancellation is also applied in the calling. Two voice talk microphones and environmental noise cancellation algorithms help remove ambient noise as much as possible while collecting your voice so that you are clearly heard by the others. As you know, the Buds Air Pro is one of our flagship headset products and adheres to supreme sound quality without any compromise. In the small body of the earbuds, we have put a high fidelity 10mm driver, the size being quite large for TWS earphones considering the highly limited space of the earbuds. Keeping true to our promise of bringing the best audio experience without any compromise, we are committed to bringing the best-in-class ANC effect as well as sound quality. According to the feedback of previous Realme earphones, users really loved the outstanding bass effect, and in Buds Air Pro, we apply Bass Boost Plus mode in the app to greatly push bass to a higher level to make you immerse into the amazing music. The Buds Air Pro supports Bluetooth 5 connectivity, and each bud is actually connected independently to the phone, so we do not use master-slave, we use master-master connectivity protocol. Hence, we achieve a faster and stable music data transfer. Gaming mode is coming to the Buds Air Pro as well, but this time we've pushed this low latency experience to a higher level. In game mode, the latency is now as low as 94 milliseconds. It has improved by a remarkable 21% as compared to an already great 119 milliseconds that we had with our other products. With the Buds Air Pro, you can enjoy a more responsive audio experience, especially in gaming as well. The Buds Air Pro is equipped with a much larger battery compared to the Buds Air. Turn on the noise cancellation and you can enjoy up to 5 hours of battery life with ANC on, which means that you can actually watch up to 3 movies on a single charge without a worry. The charging case also contains a large battery which can provide a total of 20 hours of battery life for the earbuds with noise cancellation on. The Buds Air Pro also gets charged very quickly. The Buds Air Pro carries forward all the convenient and much appreciated features of its predecessors. It supports Google Fast Pair, which will show up when you open the charging case for the first time to automatically connect to your device. It uses optical sensors to detect if it's being used. As a result, it will automatically pause or play the music when you put it in your ear or you remove them. With the intelligent touch sensitivity of the Realme Buds Air Pro, users can enjoy versatile functionalities such as answering or ending calls, switching music, activating the gaming mode, turning on or off the noise cancellation mode or the transparency mode, and of course activate the voice assistant. The total weight of the Buds Air Pro is only 48.8 grams, making it extremely lightweight and comfortable. It also supports IPX4 water resistance for the ones who want to work out with it. The Realme Buds Air Pro also supports connection to the Realme Link app, where you can configure the noise reduction mode and button functions, as well as update the firmware. Now let's have a short video of the Realme Buds Air Pro.
If you have a dream and decide to go for it, you have to make your way through all these distracting judgments and doubts.
Noise cancelling.
All you have to do is to tune out the noise. Just listen to myself. There is always one true inner voice. Trust it. Feel it. Dare for it. Realme Buds Air Pro. Tune out the noise. Realme. Dare to leap.